Okay, this is question 7 from test A. It was question 13 on test B, 25 on C, and question 13 on D. And you may have these answer choices in different orders, but we're going to go through and check on all these. So the first thing we notice is we've got a set of sides right here. Whoops, I'll change the color. Got a set of sides here. So we can write down BC is congruent to EC, and that's like an S. That's a set of sides. Okay? And then we got another set of sides over here, AB and DE. So let's write that down. AB is congruent to ED, and that's a set of S's. And that seems like a really good start. We've got two S's given to us. We just need something else. And so a lot of people go, oh yeah, vertical angles. Yeah, this is the same as this. So now if you look at it, it's only touching this here. This angle is only touching that side here and that side here. Okay? CE and EC. So we should draw it. We should draw it touching it, not the other way around. It's really across from this set of sides here. It's across it, so it's not really touching. It's got to be away from it. So I'm gonna have to squish it in here. I'll write it in purple here so we can still see our picture. We're gonna say angle BCA is congruent to angle ECD. And that gives us an A. Well, it turns out ASS is not one of our rules, and so ultimately I got the vertical angles here. This part right here says prove using vertical angles. Well, I can't with vertical angles here, so that's wrong. Well, if the triangles were, there's nothing else we can do. So you can only use this one if the triangles are congruent. But we haven't showed the triangles are congruent yet, so we can't use this one either. Is C the midpoint of AD? Well, AD is right here. Okay? We know that it's true for here. We know C is the midpoint of BE because you can see it's got the same part on each side. But it doesn't say that. It doesn't have any markings. There's no markings here or here about this to say that they're the same, so we can't say that that's true. It may turn out to be true with some other information, but we don't have it. So this is just, there's just not enough info for this. Not enough info. There's no markings on either side on AD. So AC and CD, we don't know what they are. So ultimately, you can't make any conclusions because you don't have any congruent triangles that you can prove. This is the best answer here.